What do fireflies, jellyfish, and some mushrooms have in common? They all know how to turn on the lights. The official name for animals that glow in the dark is bioluminescence. Think of it as nature's version of a glow stick. These creatures make their own light using special chemicals inside their bodies. When the chemicals mix, boom, they give off a cool glow. But why do they do it? Some animals use bioluminescence to attract mates, like fireflies showing off their bling. Others use it to scare away predators or even to sneak up on dinner. You can find glowing animals deep in the ocean, in forests, and even in your own backyard. So next time you spot a sparkle in the wild, remember, you're seeing bioluminescence in action. Science is seriously lit.